we shall see the next problem. A 1 meter long cantilever spring is composed of 8 graduated leaves and 1 extra full leaf length. The leaves are 45 mm wide. A load of 2000 Newton at the end of spring causes a deflection of 75 mm. Determine the thickness of the leaves and the maximum bending stress in the full length leaf, assuming first that the extra full length has been pre-stressed to give the same stress in all the leaves, and then determine the stress in the full extra length leaf assuming no pre-stress. So here they have given the cantilever spring. So this is the cantilever spring. They are saying that here it is composed of 8 graduated leaves and 1 extra full length leaf. So the topmost leaf is called full length leaf and the remaining leaves is known as graduated leaves. So we shall take L is equal to 1 meter. They are given 1 meter long. It's composed of 8 graduated leaves. So for graduated leaves we shall call IG. IG is equal to 8 and 1 extra full length leaf, IF 1. Since they are given specifically here 8 graduated leaves and 1 full length leaf, so we have to take IG as 8 and IF as 1. So IG plus IF will be I, total I. The leaves are 45 mm wide. So width is B dash 45 mm. A load of 2000 Newton. So a load of 2000 Newton, F is equal to 2000 Newton at the end of the spring causes a deflection of 45. Y is equal to 45 mm, 75 mm. Determine the thickness of leaves and maximum bending stress. So they are asking us to determine the thickness H and maximum bending stress. Here they are given two cases. Bending stress in full length leaf assuming first that the extra full length has been pre-stressed. So first condition, pre-stressed. First the extra full length has been pre-stressed to give the same stress in all the leaves, and then determine the stress in the full extra length leaf assuming no pre-stress. So first condition is we have to find the maximum bending stresses when the leaf is pre-stressed. Also we have to find out the bending stress when no pre-stress. So no pre-stress. So these two conditions they are given. We shall see how to solve this problem now. First we shall consider the deflection. So data handbook page number 182, they are given bending stress and deflection for laminated cantilever spring. Since in question they are given long cantilever spring, we have to consider the laminated cantilever spring from this area. We'll consider the deflection first. Deflection Y is equal to 12 FL cube, page equation 11.30C, page number 182. We'll consider this equation. Y is equal to 12 FL cube by B dash H cube E 2IG plus 3IF, equation 11.30C, page number 182. In question they are given the deflection as 75 mm. F they are given 2000 Newton. L they are given 1 meter, 1000 mm. B dash they are given 45. H cube we have to find out, and E they are not given, so we shall consider E as we shall assume E as 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square, or 200 GPa. This will be 200 GPa. In question they are not given, we shall assume this. Two into Ig. Ig is 8 plus 3 into IF is 1. So by solving this equation we will get H cube is equal to, we shall solve directly, H is equal to 12.32 mm. We will get H as 12.32 mm from standard table, page number 198. From page number 198, table 11.10a, the normal size of flats. So for thickness, here they are given the standard size. In problem we have got 12.32 mm. So we shall consider the next higher value, 14 mm, we shall consider the thickness as. From table 11.10a, page number 198. Next we will find the stress in full length when the leaf is pre-stressed. We shall take this as the from data handbook, page number 182. Here they have given condition maximum stress in the spring with the full length leaf pre-stressed. So if it is pre-stressed, the stresses sigma F is equal to sigma G. That is stresses in full length leaf spring is equal to the stresses in graduated leaf springs. So that is equal to sigma F is equal to sigma G is equal to 3FL by 3FL by IB dash H square, 11.32 C, page number 182. We shall consider this equation. Sigma F is equal to sigma G is equal to 3FL by IB dash H square. So when the condition is pre-stressed, they have given 3 into F 2000 into L, they have given 1 meter 1000 mm. I is it becomes 9 because we have added the graduated scales and full length leaf springs. B dash is 45 and H is 14 square. So the stress it becomes 75.59. So this is the stress when the leaf springs are pre-stressed. Now we shall find out the stress for not pre-stress condition. So in from data handbook, laminated cantilever springs, the stress in full length leaves, the stress in graduated leaves. We shall consider the stress in full length leaves, sigma F is equal to 18FL by B dash H square into 2IG plus 3IF. We shall consider this equation. sigma f is equal to 18 FL by b dash h square 2IG plus 3IF 11.30 A, page number 182. So we shall find out 18 into F 2000, L is 1000, B dash 45, H square is 14 square into 2 into 8 plus 3 into 1. Sigma f we will get by solving this equation is 214.82 MPa. So in question they had asked us to find the stress for both the conditions. So one condition is pre-stressed and another condition is for not pre-stressed condition. So we have found out the bending stresses for both the conditions.